Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today my Ipsy Plus just made her way. So now I can see what's inside of February's box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my February box just arrived, and I'm gonna be completely honest, looking at my app that shows me everything that's inside, I'm not thrilled. I keep telling you guys the last few months, I don't know what's been going on with Ipsy, but it just seems like they're going on a downward spiral, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's just me or what, but let's go ahead and see. Hopefully getting the products in my hand are better than seeing them on the screen. So when you open it up, there's a card, and then that's what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and see. It says feel the love, and again, they're not putting anything on the inside. Why did they stop this with the plus? Like, it's on there with the ultimate, it's on there with the Ipsy bags now, but Ipsy Plus, they've taken all of the items off of the card, so you don't know the pricing, you don't know anything. So good old Ipsy. Let's go ahead and just dive in. I have no clue what this is going to be valued at, and I don't like that, to be quite honest, because they put it on there every time, and now it's like they've stopped, and I don't know why. So the first thing right on top is Daily Fresh Squeeze and Daily Fresh Squeeze. So it looks like there's two different ones. This one looks like coconut, and this one, I'm not sure if that's pomegranate or something like that. So there's 4 different sheet masks and 2 of each one of these. So there's that. Then, and I think these are what I purchased add-ons. I think that's what these are. I would know if I had a card to tell me what's supposed to be in this box, but I believe those 2 I added on. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Here is a product by Murad, and it is the Essential C Day Moisturizer. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this product, so I'm not gonna actually swatch or test the actual item itself. So the product itself is this right here. So that is what is inside this box. And again, I'm not gonna swatch it or open it or anything because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this product, if I'm going to keep it or not, but there is a day moisturizer. And then here is an item, I've never heard of this brand, Macage. I have no clue what that is. And it says black, made in Germany, ink liner black. So is this a liquid liner? Yep, this is a liquid liner. So this will save for one of you guys, because I don't use liquid liners. I use like the gel pencil liners. I don't know how to use liquid liners. They're not my friend. I can't get a straight line if my life depended on it. So I'll set this aside for one of you guys to quite possibly enjoy. Then this is the item that I chose. And the only reason I chose this is because out of all of my options, this seemed to be the best one, because I didn't have a lot of good choices this time again. But this is Dominique Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow palette. The packaging is kind of cute. It looks like a sweater or like a blanket or something, and it's kind of has a little bit of a raised feel to it. And then when you open it up, there is a mirror, and I'm gonna be completely honest, I'm not thrilled with this palette. It's not exciting to me. It's not exciting to me. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway, so I'm not even gonna swatch it because it's just not exciting to me. Then we have this product in this bag, and it's completely sealed. It feels like it might be brushes. Vegan, cruelty-free. It doesn't even say what this is, but if this is brushes, I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. Yeah, because it's all in this package. So I'm gonna just save it like this, so when it goes to one of you guys, you can be the first one to open it and see what's inside. And then the bag. that is everything that came in this box, you guys. I don't know if I'm more disappointed now because yesterday I just did my BoxyCharm base and premium, which knocked it out of the park for both boxes. I don't know if that's why I'm so like meh about this particular box, but I mean, the bag is just, this kind of reminds me of like the Glam bag. It doesn't look like it's any bigger or better for the plus size, to be quite honest. It is a lavender. I mean, the other one was more like a, and I have it. Hold on. This month, they're exactly the same size as the Ipsy Glam bag. And the Ipsy Glam bag is actually like a soft, kind of like a velvet style material, which to me seems like a better quality and better made than the plus. So you guys, let me know what you think. I'm on the fence with pausing for a while or quite possibly canceling my plus. Now that I'm getting boxy, base, and premium, I'm kind of feeling like maybe I just don't need this one anymore. Let me know what you think if you want to keep seeing this on my channel. And there's no card with product information or pricing, where before I could at least tell you guys more information about the products. I could tell you what the pricing is on the products. I can add up the total value of the month to see what type of value we got for the $25 box. But now I have a brush set that I don't know what these look like because I don't want to open them when they're not going to go to me. They're going to go to one of you guys. This palette just doesn't excite me. It just looks kind of boring, to be quite honest. This Murad product I'm sure is amazing because it's Murad, but I don't really use day moisturizer. And the liquid eyeliner I definitely don't use. And then 4 sheet masks, which you guys know your girl loves sheet masks. So I don't know, you guys, let me know what you think. I'm not thrilled at all with this box. I mean, at all. And now if you want to see what all of the different variations could have been for this, here you go. So that is everything that they would have chose from based on our profiles, which I'm telling you, I don't think they're going off of anymore because my profile is always to be set that I don't do mascara, I don't do brushes. I got a brush set in here. I got a liquid liner in here. It's just, I don't think they're going off of profiles. And so why do I have a profile then? Then the 2 items that I got extra were for giveaways. Well, this one's for a giveaway. This is the Violet Voss palette that we got in this before. There's the back of it. I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway. And then I did get this product right here. This is an Oprah Highlighter. And one of you guys did reach out to me and said you've never had an Oprah Highlighter. And this is for whoever did send me that message. I spent a lot of time today going through like all of my Instagram messages, all my Facebook messages, and I even went to my YouTube page and I typed in Oprah Highlighter to find any comments that would have been about an Oprah Highlighter, and I can't find the message. And I know there was a message back and forth with somebody, and I told them that if I ever do come across one, I'll save it for them. Whoever I said that to, please send me a message on the same platform that you sent that message before so I can see our thread to make sure that it was you. And then if so, then I did get this for you. Again, I can't remember. And then Michelle Denver, I have been commenting to all of your comments. Please send me a message. I've been trying to get a hold of you for like a month. I want you to send me an email. So Michelle Denver, please send me an email. shecrafty101@gmail.com. And whoever did talk to me about the Oprah Highlighter, please get a hold of me on the same way you did before so I can make sure that it was you, because I got that for you. So that is everything that I have for you guys on this plus. If you do want to know a little story, I laughed at myself last night and I told one of you guys last night that I did this. Like, okay, so I did my Upbox unboxing, and one of the products in there was a body butter. And when I did the video, because I rewatched it today to see what I said, it was, because my brain obviously didn't compute on what it was. So I did a body butter, I showed it, and I didn't even like test it. If it was a lotion, I normally test them, see how smooth it feels and that kind of thing. But I just sniffed it, put it back in the container, and I stuck it in my bathroom, and it's been in my shower for a few days. So last night when I was taking a shower, I'm like, oh, let me use this. It's like a black raspberry. I'm gonna smell like black raspberries. Yes, this is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna smell good. So I open it up and I smell it. I'm like, yes, it smells amazing. I dip my fingers in there, and I thought, okay, I'm just gonna kind of lather it around my skin and then use my loofah to get the lather going and clean my skin. So I grab a little bit and I'm putting it on. I'm like, dang, this is a thick consistency. And I'm like, okay, get some more. And I'm putting it on this arm. I'm like, geez, what in the world? Get some more, and I'm putting it on my body, and then I'm like, holy moly, this is like a thick consistency. Maybe once I get my loofah and start getting a little bubbles going on, it'll start working itself out. Put it on my legs. Put it like on everything, grab my loofah, get it wet, and I start to kind of go through, and I'm like, what in the world? It was getting like a waxy buildup kind of like on my loofah that I've never seen before. And I'm like, what is going on? I grabbed the thing again, body butter. Why did I use a body butter? I thought because of the consistency. The way the consistency was in the bottle, to me, my brain made it seem like it was a whipped body soap. So my dumb ass goes and puts it in the shower. And last night I felt like being smelling like a blackberry sunrise. And I put it all over thinking it was a soap. And no. It was not a soap, you guys. And I'm busting up laughing at myself in the shower like, what did you just do? So then I take my loofah and I try to get the lotion now out of it, which was kind of impossible. So I threw that bad boy away and put another one in there. But I did try to use my normal body wash and go over, and it wasn't happening because now my skin is like this protected moisturizing layer. And it was completely covered in body, like a thick consistency body butter. Needless to say, I was really moisturized last night, but that's not what my intentions were. Oh my gosh. I'm like, only you would sit here and use a lotion all over your whole entire body before realizing it's the wrong product. I'm sorry. I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was hilarious. I'm busting up laughing at myself in the middle of the night, taking a shower. And my man's probably like, what in the hell is she doing in there? I was busting up laughing at myself. Even after I got out of the shower, I'm toning my skin and I'm like feeling this lotion everywhere. And I'm busting up like, yeah, I did that. I did. So I just wanted to tell you, I don't know if it was my sickness that got me thinking differently or what, but I've done that one other time and I told you guys about it. It was a product that looked like a body lotion. I mean, it was a body lotion. It looked like a body scrub. And it said like body souffle or something on it. And I just assumed it was a body wash. So I stuck it in my shower and then I went to use it. But that time I literally put it on my loofah and I was like, what in the world? Put more. What in the world? And put more. And I tried like 3 or 4 times, but on one arm. And I'm like, it's not setting up. It's not doing anything. And I grabbed the thing and I'm like, what are you? And I read the back and it says something about moisture, put on dry areas. And I'm like, oh, that's why it's not working. But I didn't like try that on my whole entire body. I only tried it on one arm before I realized in my whipped soap last night. I just kept on going. But needless to say, like I said, I was completely moisturized from head to toe. So there's that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought that was hilarious. I was busting up laughing, and I'm still laughing about it because I still cannot believe I did that, but I did. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Go ahead and comment down below. Again, let me know what you think about this box right here. I'm not happy with this box at all, but at least I'm leaving on a good note about my lotion story. At least I'm leaving with a smile on my face. There's that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty Crew out.